Starting a woodworking business can be an exciting and rewarding venture, especially for beginners looking to explore their craft while making a profit. The beauty of woodworking lies in its accessibility. With just a few tools and materials, anyone can create functional and aesthetically pleasing items. By focusing on easy, money-making projects, aspiring woodworkers can build their skills, create an appealing portfolio, and establish a foundation for a successful woodworking business. One of the advantages of woodworking is that it offers a wide array of project ideas that require minimal investment and can generate significant returns. For beginners, starting with simple projects allows them to gain confidence and develop essential skills. As they progress, they can tackle more complex items, ensuring continuous growth and learning. This incremental approach not only builds expertise, but also enables woodworkers to understand their market better, identifying customer needs and preferences along the way. Market research is a crucial aspect for any new woodworking business. Understanding what consumers are looking for can help beginners streamline their project choices. Items that are in high demand, such as home organization solutions, outdoor decor, or versatile furniture options, offer a solid foundation for a woodworking venture. By focusing on projects with broad appeal, beginners can increase their chances of making sales and generating repeat business while gradually expanding their offerings. Leveraging social media and online platforms is essential for promoting woodworking projects and reaching potential customers. Beginners can showcase their work through visually engaging content, such as photos and video tutorials. This not only builds a personal brand, but also creates a community around their craftsmanship. Engaging with followers through comments and direct messages can lead to valuable insights, allowing woodworkers to refine their offerings based on customer feedback. Collaboration with local artisans and makers can also enhance a beginner woodworker's visibility and network. By partnering with other creatives or businesses, woodworkers can gain shared exposure and access to new customer bases. Such collaborations can take many forms, from workshops to pop-up shops, allowing new woodworkers to showcase their skills while learning from more experienced craftspeople. Building relationships in the local maker community can open doors to additional opportunities, including joint marketing efforts. Before diving into business, aspiring woodworkers should consider their target audience. Understanding whether they wish to cater to a niche market, such as eco-conscious consumers, parents looking for kid-friendly solutions, or homeowners seeking elegant decor, can shape the direction of their projects. Crafting items that resonate with a specific demographic not only makes marketing efforts more direct, but can also encourage word-of-mouth referrals. The personal touch that comes with catering to a particular audience can also enhance customer loyalty. Streamlining the production process is an essential factor for turning a hobby into a profitable business. Beginners should focus on developing efficient systems that minimize waste and maximize output. This can include organizing tools for easy access, optimizing workspace layout, and creating templates for repetitive tasks. By evaluating and refining their workflow, woodworkers can significantly boost productivity, allowing them to complete more projects and potentially increase their profits. Pricing is another critical aspect that beginners must consider. It's vital to strike a balance between affordability for consumers and ensuring a reasonable profit margin. Conducting market research on similar products can help determine competitive pricing while reflecting the effort, time, and quality involved in crafting each piece. Additionally, transparency in pricing can help build trust with customers, especially when they understand the craftsmanship and materials involved. As woodworkers explore various project ideas, they can start small by creating simple items such as organizers, planters, or decorative wall features. These projects usually require fewer materials and tools, making them ideal for beginners while still having a broad market appeal. The key is to focus on quality craftsmanship, regardless of the complexity of the project. High-quality work will always stand out, even in simpler designs, and can lead to higher demand and pricing. One of the exciting aspects of woodworking is that it allows for immense creativity. Beginners should embrace the artistic side by experimenting with different styles, finishes, and designs. Creativity often leads to unique solutions, and innovative products that can capture consumer interest. By creating one-of-a-kind items that showcase individuality, woodworkers can cater to consumers looking for something special, thereby enhancing their competitive edge in the market. Attending local craft fairs and markets can be an excellent way for beginner woodworkers to gain exposure and test the waters of their business. These events provide not only a venue for selling products, but also an opportunity to engage with customers, receive direct feedback, and network with other makers. Many customers appreciate the personal interaction that comes with craft fairs, which can lead to building a loyal customer base. Exploring online marketplaces is also beneficial for beginners looking to expand their reach. Websites dedicated to handmade and crafted goods can present an excellent platform for marketing woodworking projects. Creating an appealing storefront with high-quality images and compelling descriptions helps attract potential buyers, converting casual browsers into customers. Engaging with online communities focused on woodworking can also enhance visibility and create additional sale channels. As beginners gain experience, they can consider expanding their product range based on customer preferences and market trends. This could include branching into seasonal items, such as holiday decor or themed gifts. Having a dynamic product line not only attracts different customer segments, but also keeps the business vibrant and responsive to changing consumer interests. Flexibility and adaptability can ultimately lead to sustained business success. Establishing a brand identity around woodworking projects is essential for leaving a lasting impression on customers. This includes creating a memorable name, a cohesive visual style for marketing materials, and a brand story that resonates with consumers. Clear branding communicates professionalism and builds trust, helping customers feel confident in their purchasing decisions. A strong brand identity can differentiate a woodworking business in a crowded marketplace. Lastly, continually seeking feedback and implementing improvements is vital for growth. Establishing mechanisms for customer reviews and suggestions can inform future project decisions and production enhancements. Engaging customers in this way fosters a sense of participation and can lead to valuable insights into market demands and consumer preferences. This iterative approach not only refines existing products, but can also inspire innovative project ideas that align with customer needs. For individuals eager to enter the woodworking world, the possibilities for crafting meaningful and profitable projects are virtually limitless. Beginners can tap into the growing market for handcrafted goods by starting with simple, easy-to-complete woodworking projects that not only hone their skills, but also appeal to potential customers. The key is to choose projects that are manageable yet impactful, allowing novice woodworkers to build confidence while exploring the art of woodworking. One of the first steps for any beginner is to familiarize themselves with the tools and techniques required in woodworking. Many projects can be executed with just a few essential tools, which makes it accessible for those starting with limited resources. As beginners cultivate their skills, they can gradually invest in more specialized tools that can expand their project capabilities. This progressive approach ensures that the learning curve remains approachable, preventing early overwhelm from complex tasks. When considering woodworking projects, it's essential to focus on items that have a broad market appeal. Products designed for everyday use, such as organizers, storage solutions, or decorative accents, can attract a wide audience. These types of projects not only serve practical purposes, but also lend themselves to creative expression through unique designs and finishes. Understanding market demand can guide beginners in selecting which projects to prioritize, ultimately increasing their chances of making sales.